Creating an FTP server allows you to share and transfer files over a network. Here's a concise guide. Select an operating system. Choose an operating system for your server. Linux distributions like Ubuntu Server and CentOS are common choices due to their stability and security. Set up the server. Install an FTP server software package. For example, you can use VSFTPD on Linux. Use your system's package manager to install it. Configure FTP server. Edit the server's configuration file to customize settings. You can set the root directory for file storage, restrict access, and specify user permissions. Create FTP users. Create user accounts for those who need FTP access. Use the add user or user-add command on Linux and set their home directory to the FTP root directory. Configure firewall. Open the FTP server's port in your server's firewall to allow incoming connections. Secure your server. Implement security measures like disabling anonymous access, enabling SSL/TLS encryption for secure connections, and regularly updating the FTP software and the server's operating system. Start FTP service. Start and enable the FTP service using your system's init system. Testing. Verify that your FTP server is working by connecting to it from a client FTP application using the server's IP address or domain name, along with the username and password you created. User management. Manage users, their access, and permissions as needed. You can add, modify, or remove user accounts. Logging and monitoring. Set up logging to track FTP server activity and monitor for any unusual or unauthorized access.